Kevin here with Hardscape Training Canada. Today I'm going to show you some overview details of a mosaic art wall feature, including mostly river rock material, but a mix of a whole bunch of different types of rock materials. It all starts with a good base prep, including angle iron to support the extra weight of what we would call more of a full bed stone as opposed to a veneer stone. And in this case we're using quite a lot of river rock to make up the bulk of this mosaic feature. We're applying the stone onto a diamond mesh that would be securely fastened to the wall system. From there we're using a high strength mortar to bond the stone to the mesh and to adjacent stones as well. And it's the fine details that create an overall interesting look and texture to this mosaic wall. It all starts with a sketch or a vision, and what we want to do is translate that vision onto the surface to give us some visual reference points, and that way we can lay out our main feature stones. Also, we can look at those feature stones as visual center points, creating lines of motion around them, and we can start to use some jigs of plywood as well as our feature stones as reference points to really get some nice smooth curvatures happening with each individual type of stone. And from there we'll use more of an infill river rock stone after the main feature colors are filled in to really make up the bulk of the installation. Ask me lots of questions, love to hear them, and hopefully I can show you something like this in the field sometime soon.